Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another beautiful kitchen remodel. This happens to be part of a whole house remodel, but we give you a little bit of a focused effort here in discussion on the kitchen. You can see that this has turned into a whole open concept kitchen. You no longer have a wall here. This has got a nice, beautiful waterfall finish down on the side here. Gives it a nice custom touch. We've got a bar where you can put stools underneath in here. We have about what do we have, 3 or 4 lighting circuits in here. The main recessed lights, one under the sink, the pendants. We have under cabinet lights, the whole dining room area and living room on separate switches. We've got a nice elegant touch here with a see-through glass corner cabinet. We have taken the splash material from the counters and brought it all the way up behind the hood as a beautiful effect of enlarging the kitchen, because you don't have a break in the colors and the type of materials. You got a nice beautiful custom sink with a built-in cutting board. This is a nice high B2U range, a custom high CFM, that's the sucking power of the hood. We have a counter depth fridge, and if you notice, the fridge itself is even with the counter, right? It's not sticking way out here. The door, of course, has to be out here in order to swing, but if we do this and we put panels on both sides, which we've done, it has the effect of being a custom built-in refrigerator. So that's the proper way to go do these things. What we're doing more and more in kitchens is putting in a microwave drawer, right? So they're turning out to be pretty popular. You push a button, you can see all the food that's in there, and when you want to close it, you close it. Makes it a lot easier for the family to get at it, and it's actually more convenient than having to kind of reach up high and see what's going on with your food. And it's also a lot cleaner look than having a big ugly microwave, you know, stuck into the upper cabinet. So think about that. This is a handleless, or you don't have a surface mounted handle on the dishwasher. It's got a pull. It's a lot cleaner look. Let's see, what else can I show you? Oh, what we did is to get more functional space and to extend the kind of size and feel of the kitchen, we brought the whole kitchen motif out here to this kind of concept of not a wet bar, but it's kind of a side utility bar for drinks and snacks, and it's got pantry space, and we decided to put in the glass cabinets up there, and there are lights that are in all of these cabinets, so there's a lot of custom control for setting the mood in here. And by the way, I want to show you today what are still pretty popular colors. So light to medium gray and lighter, whiter countertops. And in this case, we chose to have a countertop that had kind of the gray veining in it to pick up on the gray in the cabinets. So this is another beautiful kitchen job by Golden Gate Enterprises. This was part of a whole house remodel. Put in 3 new bathrooms, new kitchen, all new electrical, plumbing, whole new interior. And you can see that on another video, but I wanted to focus in on the kitchen. Thanks. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another beautiful kitchen project. We handle plans, permits, any engineering that may need to be done to open up and remove walls and things like that. So give us a call. We do beautiful work, and we're very easy to work with. So check us out at bayareacontractor.com. That's our website, and the company is Golden Gate Enterprises. Thank you.